Think you need a big garden to grow plants? Think again.
These micro-gardening hacks can turn even the smallest space into a green paradise.
Perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or even your desk.
Here are 5 micro-gardening hacks you must try today.
Hack number 1, the self-watering bottle planter. Just add a cotton wick through the cap. Fill the bottom with water. Plant your herb above. The plant drinks water only when it needs it.
No daily watering required.
Hack 2, eggshell seed starters. Fill them with soil. Add your seeds. Mist lightly. Watch them sprout in days. Plant the shell directly. It becomes fertilizer. Hack 3, the tiniest garden possible. Add just a pinch of soil. Insert micro succulents. Arrange them creatively. Water sparingly.
Perfect for desks and tiny spaces.
Plants not getting enough sunlight? Use spoons as reflectors. They redirect light back to the plant. Instant brightness boost. Plants respond quickly. Cheap and surprisingly effective.
Final hack, ice cube watering.
Place 1 cube on the soil.
It melts slowly for perfect hydration.
No mess, no overwatering. Great for delicate indoor plants. Simple and effective. Small space, big results. Anyone can grow plants anywhere. Which hack will you try first? Save this video for your next planting day.
Your tiny garden starts now. All it takes is one drop.